Hi math learners, here I will answer math problem about sales tax rate, which is commonly asked on NMAT, APCOT, Civil Service Exam, quantitative parts. So let's start. Probably you already know the process of answering math word problem, which are taught when we are in elementary. The understanding the problem, what is asked, what are the givens, etc. But generally, most students stuck on or lack in understanding the problem. So, how can we really understand the problem? Well, I can say is that we should be good in vocabulary words, or we should know some or more math vocabulary words. Understanding the English, the phrases is the most difficult. So let's look at the given problem example. Dr. Victa purchased some medical supplies for 670 pesos. There are two things that can happen here. You misunderstood the phrase, or the opposite, you understand it. So let's head over on misunderstanding or misinterpreting this line. So one might probably misunderstand the term purchase, which mostly they misinterpret it that Dr. Bicta paid 670 pesos on the medical supplies. But it is not, because it is said there that Dr. Bicta purchased some medical supplies for 670 pesos, which means that the medical supplies price is 670 pesos. See the difference? Which means that Dr. Bicta did not pay 670 pesos. Which means there are more in there. So there can be like discount, sales tax, or etc. So understand that Dr. Bicta did not pay 670 pesos. It means that Dr. Bicta just purchased medical supplies and the medical supplies price is 670 pesos. So we can now continue to the next phrase. So let sales tax rate was 6.5%. So here we should understand what is the sales tax rate. So sales tax rate is a consumption tax imposed by government on the sale of goods or services. So we can conclude that it is a tax. So it is included there percent, which means it is a percent on the price of the product that will be added to the price of the purchase. So it means that 6.5% of the price of the medical supplies is the tax you will add when you buy it. So we can now go to the question. So how much did Dr. Victa spend on these supplies? So we can now compute. So here it is asked on what will Dr. Victa will pay including the tax. So we can compute that 6.5% of 670 pesos by multiplying it. So we can multiply 670 times 6.5%. So converting this, removing percent and moving two decimal places. So 0.065 then times 670. So we can multiply it. So 0.35 35, so 33, so 0, 42, so 36, 40, so we can remove that now. So we can add this, so 0, 5, 5, 3, 4. So there are 3 decimal places, so 3, 1, 2, 3, so 43.55. So that is the tax amount that will be added to the price of the medical supplies. So we can add now 670 plus 43.55, 43.55. So adding that will be 0.55. Let's add 0 so we will not be confused. So we will not be confused. So 3, 11, 7. So this is the price or the amount that Dr. Victa will spend on these supplies, which is 713 pesos and 55 centavos. That's all. Hope you understand it.